سلام كبرات تخاتلتي كم يحكون كم يعلقوا مساهم زلقوا بين هورين كم تلمود استفل عليه انترفيوات كم تقالكم كأنه لومها بزعبة بريزيدنت إسحاق أفوركي أب تشاينا كيد خلوز كورك على محتت أو تيوم ولو إذا على محتت زي زعبون أرستون بزعبان تايمسل نيرو مجمرتا خنقركم بحريو حابرنا كنكاتلينا جل خابتي استوهله ناي تي انترفيو انتاي نيرو بزعبة زلنا يقفل زمان أمونغو إيرتران تشاينان زلو ركب بزعبة أستواتو إيرتران أب هزبي تشايناوان كاب أب سودان زلو سرتنياتات ويدما وزلو حاجة اليوم ناتوم إيرترات قبرو أستواتو بزعبة أب عالم زلو دومينيشن ويدما حيلتات كما يمثل أستواتو تشاينا أب أفريقيا بزعبة عدا منجست تشاينا أب عالم زلوا استواتو حاجز زهبون اتناتهم عينت حجاجزا ويدما جنزب حاجز انت عينت ريزالت هالو وتصيت هالو هنا منجستي كاب تشاينا مسلك حزلو ريزالت إذن كان انزبل استفعل حتى حيتمولو ببحدا نار حسسنا مستي فيديو كن كيدنا حابيرنا نكتاتل استخالكم لايك سبسكرايب شير مقوار ايتحمقو نغتسل
Mr. President, thank you so much for joining us today on Leaders Talk. Well, one of the highlights of your visit this time to China is meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping yesterday. So what are the major takeaways from this meeting?
I think we can look at it from a broader context. And the broader context is the relationship between China and Eritrea. And it has developed to a strategic partnership on a number of issues. My meeting with President Xi Jinping is a continuation of that long-standing history of partnership, strategic partnership with China.
Mr. President, this year...
Cool President, قد محجي زي مس President Xi Jinping قبل كايو ركب بويدما مبصح انتاي زعلمه يو بزعوا انتاي خانيرو كنقرأ نتقل دو وأزز قبركو مبصح بزعبا إيرتران تشاينان زولو ركب نمعبال وين ما نزمدنا أبرتعكا نمسرح زعلم إنيرو كبل مليسلا
marks the third year's anniversary of diplomatic relations between China and Eritrea. And during your meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping, he quoted a Chinese proverb, 三十而立, which means at the age of 30, one planted his or her feet firm upon the ground. So for you, how would you define this bilateral relations, and how do you think we can not only enhance the traditional political friendship, but also inject new impetus into the economic cooperation between the two sides?
Good President. بزعبا مس جي جينبين President جي جينبين ناي China أبز قبر كاركب جي جينبين حانت مسلاني غير كانيرو نسخة ناي China مسلا مالتيو حانتي قرب مستقل كايا أب قرب ناي China لو كانت أزر كاب قرب على مستقل كايو أو 3 عمد دول زخونة أمرت دلدلا ترقصمو شعو نلعلي توقل زول مسلاني نجيروان يرو إزي مسلازي نعخاسي كم من تايتريو بيبغمي تترجمو تبلت حتى زلا
perspective, it's a historic mission of humanity. Why the People's Republic of China stood on the right of the Eritrean people to independence immediately after independence, 1949, is historic. Independence of nations and peoples, which is the foundation of any cooperation program, economic or otherwise. That is the foundation of the relationship. Now, it's not only Eritrea and China, but we work together to influence the emergence of a new global order, which is again a mission for humanity. And China stands on the side of the peoples of the world. Eritrea, in solidarity with China, continues to uphold a mission for humanity.
تاتو بزعبا منغستي بزعبا China تقبرو زلا أستواتو أب إيرتران أب عالمين تقبل زلا أكايدا أزيو أقداسن وصان المخانو China تقبل زلا أستواتسو نهزبي عالم دحنت أحزاب ويدك سبات زعلم مثل زخونه أزيو أقداسي نعلم لخاو معبالة مخانو إرترا خا نزي كم تدقفو أبغوني China كم دلا إذا China ممرح أزيو كم تدقفو مسأ أبغونا طويلة كم تشعبو يو زارب زلو معرخني أقداس مخانو نعلم لخاوي نعلم لخاوي معبالة يو كتاكس تصنيحو
have stood the test of time, have shared well and though. In the very recent conflict in Sudan, Eritrean government has provided assistance to the evacuation and transfer of Chinese citizens, and at the same time, Chinese people have also helped Eritrean citizens to evacuate from Sudan. So what is your take on this evacuation, and how do you see this mutual cooperation between the two sides in the face of crisis?
Conflict erupted. It was out of the question that we
أبزي زحلف أوان أب تشاينا كأب السودان أب زقات أم زحلف أوان أب السودان أب زقات أم جت بمنجستي إرترا نهزبي نتشاينا وين أب تشاينا وين أب السودان زقمتو زقبرو أستواز أو بزحين يرو بزحات تشاينا وين تقمت أو السودان كم استحبابرن كاب السودان خوات أو كم زقبرن زي زقبرو أستواز أو كمون تشايناويان أب سودان زقمتون هزبي إني إرتراويان كم زحجزون متحبار كم دجبرون إزين السخاء كم تايتر أوي بخمي تقولت أو تخيل اللي أتحطوا لا لا تقبل مل سخان سمعه.
We need to have arrangements on doing this job. It's our commitment to our common cause to work together, and in difficult times like this sad situation we have in the Sudan, the cooperation between Eritrea and China is a natural phenomenon. I mean, Chinese in Eritrea or Chinese crossing from the Sudanese border to Eritrea have all the right to be supported, and Eritrea did its obligation in providing the support required by Chinese citizens who were trapped in the conflict in the Sudan, and similarly, China would do the same thing to uphold its moral obligation to support people under distress. Conflict situations definitely require a moral commitment of everybody, humanitarily support citizens of one or another nation held or trapped in a situation like the one we have in the Sudan, which is very sad again.
إذا أبصر قات إموزولو قتشت بتعميو زحزن أنتقونا جن بحلنا جبونا إلنا أصل زحزنا يو نحنا خن التحبابر كنحجز جبونا أيو تعويت هالينا وي استخاجبرو إزناتكم يجانكم زلنا عندنا جبونا إلنا أصل زحزنا يو كم جبنا وسيدنا إنا نتبرو دلنا نحدا سب عب شجر زلوا محجز ناتنا بهلن لمدين إيو جبورو أيتبرز بلنا يلين جبونا سزخونه كمون منجستي تشاينا كم زناتنا نهزبنا أبزخونه شكت زقط مم نقطع حبابر كم جبر جبو إلو ريو محجزة يزبلا زلوا.
Mr. President, in a very recent televised speech, you have announced the opening of the Eritrean border to refugees who are fleeing from Sudan during this conflict. What is the rationale behind such a decision?
Good President, أبزي كل محد زجورك على محتت تي عب إرترا زجورك على محتت مالتيو انتهي نيرو نزخونا سيرتنيا كاب سودان واتيون هي واتخر حنت دا كاب سودان هاديمو نيرترا خاتوس وإحنا دوبنا خفوتيو ولاون عب جزانا تينا كان بلعون كنا ستين كاب زلنا نحجزوا منا الكاس تزارب كان الكان إذا سي كام تاي تبقى وي انتهي زعلم إيو انتهي حساب كم حسب نمتى حسب كأخ خمس غير كان نمتى أرتلا خمس قبل زلا ياسبلو زلا ذا interviewer.
This is a humanitarian case. This is a humanitarian situation. You don't need to be obliged. You need to be reminded by anybody to provide any support that is required of you, and no visas, no permissions. Anyone willing to cross the border to Eritrea can freely or safely imagine that everything is open for the travel, saving human lives, saving people from a situation like the one in the Sudan.
Mr. President, let's get back to this profound relationship between China and
هراي انت هتلو زلا
because over the past years we have
أمونغو
so many memorable testaments of this
إزي إرترا تقبرو زلا نحنا قبونا سلو زخونة إنا نحجز لنا خل ولا حنتي أجندة قبلنا ناي كدمي كل نجر ناي سبعة ونت حتى سلو زخونة فيزا ليكا زخونة ورقاتنا نحطتنا حدا سبت شجر له هو تقط حندلي متع عقب إنا نسرح كبليو ملي سلام على تيو
solid foundation between the two countries. I remember in 2008 during the Wenchuan earthquake. At that time, I was very young, but I remember vividly, at that time, both you, Mr. President, and also your people has made donations to the people in the earthquake and also have expressed your willingness to help to tide over these difficulties together with the Chinese people. How do you see this mutual support, mutual assistance between the people of both countries?
It's simply a convergence of values, value systems of communities.
قلت شحال شو مثلا تذكروا تخوينكم أب تشاينا أبي من كات مرتا قاتي منيرو أبز أوان زي منقستن حزب إيرترا مجمرتا منقست تشاينا ناي حزن مجلس يهيبو ناي حزن زقات أمم ناي حزن ورقات صحيفو سيدو كم أون ناي جنزب دونيشن وينجريو أنا حجس نسا إذا أنت تحطوا زلا إنه ودا أفريقي داتول زلا أنا نيشتين يرشعو من يسوي كلهم إذكره إيه تبوكره منقسن هزبن إيرترا زقبورو ناي حجز هزبن منقسن تشاينا ويزبولو عرسعوني إذا حجس أنت أستوات أقوله تبل وي بزعباس أنت أخذ تدلي تبلو الله
Nations, peoples are what bring people together. We would like to see humanity move towards fair and justice, for the situation of justice. These values are what bring people together. It's not only China and Eritrea, but people everywhere in the world. Latin America, Asia, Europe, the Americas. We need a new world order. What China has achieved, not only domestically but globally, makes a lot of sense to many people across the world. And we need to work in solidarity to make more contributions for the future of humanity. We are not in the Stone Age. We are not in the Middle Age. We are moving ahead towards a new century, a new era for humanity. And complementarity and
زانو هسه زبالة دحان تود إمو أطلع الله نقرأكم يحس رابي إلى مالتي زي عرب نوحت
is the
بالدوزلا
name of the game. No one nation, no one people will survive without complementarity and without solidarity. What China has done, what China has contributed to the global transformation is based on this concept of solidarity.
Mr. President, those voices who are now seeing China's rise as a
نوحز التزاربا أنت خونا جن تايز بالزلو تشاينا عب عالم زغورتا استواتاي بقليلو كر زرأي كونن عبي استوات أولوا أبز أوان زلنا كفلا زمن هزبن منقسن زعلم نحدو نات حاجة زغدو الأواني أب قدم زمن إني كونن زي زمن زمن يكونن زي معبول كفلا زمنيو حدا هزبي وحدا منقستي بينو زقعزلو جزء كونن تحبابيرنا إنا كن معبل نقل إزي معبالتاتنا تشاينا نعلم زدنغا كمون قبول زخون أكايدا يو تناتهم أكايدا ويستايل أو أمازازين كامات مسنيب على أمريكا مسنيب على الكالوت معربان هذا كتر رأي خلها بيهولناتو مالتيو أزي قبول زخون أكايدا يو مناتو إذا ناي تشاينا عينت سلتي حجز تحجز زعينتي نخلتي إنزواتيو كمون أفريقيان كمون تشاينا نخلتي بنفيت زلوسو زخونة قبول زخونة كايدا إذا نخرج زلنا خا زناتنا إذا حدش كفلا زمن مالتي ناي متى أزيو ناي علمنا ديناميك غير زقل يزبل زلو
threat, not as an opportunity. How do you see those moves to contain China?
in history and say the imbalances globally, conflicts here and there, world wars, and continuous confrontations have been the philosophies of many minorities who have tried to dominate. It's hegemonistic. It's dominating as an attitude.
እንታይ ለሓይታብቶ እስኻ እዚ ናይ ገለገለ ሃገራት ገለገለ ውሕዳት ሃገራት እንታይ ብላን ንቻይና ከም ሓደጋ እንዝርያ ከም ሓደገኛ ሃገር ወይ ድማ ከም ተስግአን ናታ ማዕባታት እዚ ክትብል ከላ ኣብዚ እዋን እዚ ናይ ዓለምና ሓያላት ሱፐር ፓወር ዝበሃላ ሓደ ምዕራባውያን ሃገራት ኣለዋ ከም በዓል ኣሜሪካ ከምኡን ካናዳ ኣውስትራልያ ከምኡን ኢንግላንድ ከምኡን ፍራንስ ዝተፈላለዩ ሃገራት እዚአን ኣለዋ ተኾነ እዚአን ናይ ኔቶ ሃገራት ናተን ብሓባር ኮይነን ዝተሰርሓ ከም ኔቶ ኮይነን ይፍለጣ ከምኡን ከም በዓል ራሻ ቻይና ከም በዓል ሳውት ኣፍሪካ ብራዚል እዚአን ከዓ ጎኑ ምዕብላ ዘለዋ ሃገራት ማለት እዩ ብቆንዱ ግን ቻይናን ራሻን ዘለወን ምትሕጋስ ዳርጋ ብሓደ ኢንክሉቴን ሰርሓ ብላብ ዝሓለፈ ናይ ውግእ ናይ ኣብ ንሪኦ ዘለና ሕጂ እውን ዝካየድ ዘሎ ኣብ መንጎ ራሽያን ዩክሬንን ከም ዝተዓዘብናዮም ራሻ ጎን ቻይና ጎን ራሻ ምዃና ኢና ተዓዚምና ስለዚ ንስኻሲ እዚ ናይ ግዝኣት ንሓይሊ ብኸመይ ትትርጉሞ እያ ትብሎ ዘላ ገለ ካብቲ ዝመለሶ እዚኣ ቁርብ ብዙሕ ስለ ትብል ኣብ መንጎ ዝቆርፃ ዘለኹ ኣነ ከም ዝሪኦ ኢሉ ኣብ ሰዓት እዚ ናይ ምዕራባውያን ሃገራት በቃ domination for power hegemonistic ቦ እንታይ ማለት እዚ that word is kind of he said let me get you guys okay so hegemonistic yes correct ብልካ hegemonistic ማለት እንታይ እዩ ሓደ ግሩፕ ሓደ ሕብረተሰብ ማለት እዩ ብሓይሊ ብዕብለላ ከመሓድር ከሎ ንኩሉ ማለት እዩ እዚ ሲ ቅቡል ኣይኮነን እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ማለት እዩ
to suppress peoples and nations and finally control or dominate global economy. It's been a misguided policy. It's a misconception of realities. It's misunderstanding of history. Now we see the future is very bright. The future is very bright because of Chinese achievement. China has proven to everybody in the world, the marginalized and those who entertain the ideas of domination, this is no more the rule of the game. People of the world will have to cooperate. The new world order is an order of cooperation, complementarity, and working together. It's not a world order for domination or hegemony.
Well, during the meeting yesterday, President Xi has said that Africa is a very promising land, and he also emphasized that given the current circumstances, it is more imperative.
ኣብ ሰዓት እዚ እንታይ ክብላ ፀኒሑ እዚ ናይ ቻይና ኣካይዳ ወይ ስልቲ ንዓለም ሙሉእ ከም ዝመስከረላ እቲ ናይ ቻይና ከዓ እንታይ ያረዲና ብሓይሊ ብዕማፀ ወይ ብዕብለላ ዝኸውን ለውጢ የለን እዚ ንኸሮ ዘለና ሓድሽ ዓለም ለኻዊ ማዕባለታት ከዓ ኣብ መንጎ ምትሕባርን ኣብ መንጎ ምትሕጋዝን ሃገራት ደኣ እምበር ብሓይሊ ብዕብለላ ዝኸውን ኣይኮነን ከም ታሪክ ከም ዝሕብረና ከዓ እቲ ናቶም ሓሳባት ናዞም ናይ ምዕራባውያን ማለት እዩ ከምደይ ይሰርሕ እዩ ዝዛረብ ዘሎ እዚ ንኸሮ ዘለና ክፍለ ዘመን ኣብ መንጎ ምትሕባር ምትሕጋዝ እምበር እዚ ናቶም እዚ ናይ ምዕራባውያን ኣካይዳ ብሓይሊ ብዕመፃ ወይ ብግዴታ ዝገብርዎ ኣካይዳ ከምደይ ይሰርሕ እዩ ክሕብራ ፀኒሑ ሕቶ ተቕርበሉላ ናብኡ
and never for China and Africa to enhance solidarity as well as cooperation. So, Mr. President, as the head of an African country, how do you think we can bring these relations between China and Africa to an even higher level?
That's one critical challenge we see today. In spite of all the achievements, in spite of
ኣብ መንጎ ቻይናን ኣፍሪቃን ዘሎ ርክብ ከመይ ኢልና ከነማዕብሎ ንኽእል ኣብ ምንታይ ደረጃ ክነብፅሖ ንኽእል ንስኻ ከም መራሒ ሓንቲ ኣፍሪቃዊት ሃገር ከም ምዃንካ መጠንሲ መንጎ ቻይናን ኤርትራን ዘሎ ርክብ ኣብ መንጎ ቻይናን ኣፍሪቃን ዘሎ ርክብ ብኸመይ ክምዕብል ይኽእል ኢልካ ትሓስብ
Africa remains to be a marginalized continent because of its economies It's a subsistence economy. It's a very backward economy. You hear about famine here, famine there, conflict here, conflict there. All sorts of bad things are there. Now, Africa needs to be extricated from this state of affairs. How can Africa do it? It's the responsibility of the people in Africa. But definitely, Chinese contributions are very significant. For Africa to extricate itself, what China has done the last few decades in transforming the reality of Africa.
ህዝቢ ኣፍሪቃ ኣብ ሰዓት እዚ ዝተፈላለዩ ሽግራት ኣለዎ ብዙሕ ሽግር ኣለዎ ኣስተዋጽኦ ናይ ቻይና ግን ዓቢ እዩ እቲ ናይ ኣስተዋጽኦ ናይ ቻይና ከዓ ዓቢ ሓገዝ ኣለዎ ብርግጽ እቲ ቻይና ብርግጽ ሽግር ኣፍሪቃውያን ብኣፍሪቃውያን ክፍታሕ ዝኽእል እንተኾነ ግን ሓገዝ ቻይና ዓቢ ኣስተዋጽኦ ከም ዝህልዎ ምክንያቱ ኣፍሪቃ ካብ ዓለም ሙሉእ ተፈልያ ትነብር ሓደ በት ናይ ኢኮኖሚ ብሕጽረት ናይ ኢኮኖሚ ማለት እዩ ሓደ ዝተፈላለዩ ሽግራት ኣለዎ እዚ ብዙሕ በቃ ፍቅድካ ዘይውዳእ ሽግር ስለዘለዋ ካብዛ ካብ ናይ ዓለም ናይ ኢኮኖሚ ውድድር ወፂኣ ዘላ እንተኾነ ግን ብናይ ቻይና ሓገዝ ኣብ ዝሓሸ ደረጃ ክትምለስ ከም ትኽእል ኣነ ትዕዝብተይ ወይ ተስፋይ እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ ወዲ ኣፈ
There is only a beginning and hopefully the solidarity between China and Africa will create a synergy that will accelerate the process of extricating Africa from marginalization.
Mr. President,
China and African
Eritrea signed the MOU with China on Belt and Road Initiative. Well, this initiative was proposed by China, but the benefits has been shared by the world. But at the same time, I think you've heard some of the different voices, especially from Western media, which accuse China of spreading the so-called debt trap. So what's your response to these claims and how do you understand the Belt and Road Initiative?
If there is any debt trap,
حراي زياتا قندي أقداسيت حتى عبوزحات علامات خزربلا زتزربلا مالتيو سو أنتي منجست تشاينا أب أفريقيا أنا ترجع مهنات عبي وطن أوتيو نوح عمتات عشرة عمتات يو صار يحلو مالتيو إذا كان كونو تعرفوا استفاد عليه ترجعتها هانتيو الديل ده بس هيك زخميو ترجع هانتولكا and then أدالك عجنزب مليون دولارات زخونة أفريقيا منجستي وي حاجر كفلو شو عن شو عايد خلينا معناته نوح عمتات زخير كونتراكتيو بإنترست دلو مالتيو بعدايم صرح لك مالتيو ديل تكبر بعدا خف لك صرح لك تتزقع تصرح مستوى كك أقولك مجمرة كابتو تقمي تهزب خجلجل مجمرة تمنجستخ عبت تسرجع عزمت ترجع هو استفل عليه تقمتها تاكس يقبل مو ندعو كمال السجمر تحاجل تمعبل سازلا مسمع عبلت عدا أخذ كفلك تمعبل انتخيل مالتي يسيتو تي حاجز انتخو نجن ممسحة أفريقيا أن هاجرات تي ترجع عجلة مستسرحة أبعد عند أتوا أبعد عند شيء ما تؤتي مليون دولارات كمرسيكل لانين إذا حجي عدا عدا حقوقين يودق بس إنك زي عدا زخاء تا أفريقيا هاجر أب زي تدليه ما يساخد لقح تقدر لقح لقح يخون تدراري بشعو كيف توت جلا كفلا نايت هاجر ديو وي تكاريو من تشاينا بقى إزي نعقوم لسه نحمس عمت إذا نعقوم تتعاملوا عدا أقصى ملس مالتي إذا انتهي البال Chinese debt trap يبلوه جلا كابزي دبز حجز أب عالم زدك أسا هاجرات كم بعر سريلانكا كانكون جلا زين عندك سريلانكا أزيوم China وين من China بتعمل حريصوا أما عبيلوا تحرنا بعدا عتيا تعدا كفل مسيك قالت كا جلا كفال ناي سريلانكا من China كم دوسرو نخن زعمت هاسين ناي China كم دخونه إذا حاجة Chinese debt trap يدولو نسخة كبر president نازي زربا وي نازي معربوان أب منكستي أب حزبك أب منكست China زوات كسي بخمي تريو وي بخمي تقومو إلى أتحطو زلا
is the responsibility of those nations in Africa who have mismanaged their economies. You can't go back and blame China for any mishap. If you are planning an economy, if you have resources to mobilize, if you have goals to achieve in any area or in any sector, definitely you have to have the correct policies and you have to have the the institutional mechanism to implement this. China would be willing to support and help, allow governments to borrow money, but ultimately the management issue falls on the responsibility of the African side. Now, blaming China for debt traps is simply defaming the achievements and probably trying to create some rift between African and Chinese contributions in the solidarity that has achieved the economic development we see today. One of the worrying things for these hegemonistic forces globally is China working with Africa to extricate Africa from the marginalization that it exists today and move forward in solidarity with the peoples of Africa. If there are mistakes done by African government, their traps will have to be managed by learning from mistakes and correcting the handling of the
እዚ ንዕዘቦ ወይ ንሰምዖ ዘለና እንታይ ይብላ ዘሎ እዚ ንቻይና ጠቐነ እዩ ምክንያቱ ቻይና መንግስቲ ቻይና ነታ ሃገር እንተዳ ንኣፍሪቃዊት ሃገር ወይ ዝኾነት ሃገር ሓጊዝዋ ናይታ ሃገር ግዴታ እዩ ምሕደርኣ እዩ ዘካይዳ እምበር እቲ ቻይና ዝገበሮ ሕማቕ ኣስተዋፅኦ ኣይኮነን መንግስቲ ቻይና ሓጊዙሎ እቲ ሓገዝካ ንስኻ ነቲ ምሕደራኻ ኣብ ሃገርካ ዘሎ እቲ ኣፍሪቃዊት ሃገር ዝኾነት ሃገር ናታ ምሕደራ እዩ ወሳኒ እንተዳ ዝኾነ ጥቕሚ መፀካሞ እንተዳ ከተመሓድሮ ዘይከኣልካ ኣብ ሕማቕ ዕብረት ኣቱ ልክዕ ከምዚ ካብ ባንኪ ኸድካ ትልቃሕሞ ነቲ ገንዘብካ ግን ብባጀት ትሕልዎ ከምዚ ገለገለ ሰባት ኣብዚ ሞርጌጅ ዝኣትኹም ትፈልጥዎ ኢኹም ዕዳ ኣለካ ነቲ ገዛ ሞርጌጅካ ብካልኩሌሽን ኢኻ ትኸይድ ካበየናይ ሰዓት ኣበየናይ ሰዓት ናይ ገዛ ኸራይ ትኸፍል ነቲ ናይ ሞርጌጅ ትኸፍል ናይ ማይ ናይ ልቸ ካብኡ ወፃኢ ኤክስፔንስስ ኣለካ ኣበየናይ ሰዓት ልክዕ ከምኡ እዩ ብካልኩሌሽን ብምሕደራ እቲ ምሕደራ እንተዳ ሕማቕ ኮይኑ እንተዳ 50 ሚልዮን ዕዳ ኣለካ ሞ ከምዚ 50 ሚልዮን ኣብ መንጎ ዓበይቲ ሓለፍቲ እቲ ገንዘብ ይጠፍእ ኮይኑ ዳሰት እቲ ምሕደራ ሕማቕ ስለ ዝኾነ እምበር እቲ ዘለቅሐ ኣይኮነን ትፀገም ስለዚ ኦልቲሜትሊ እቲ ናይ ምሕደራ እዩ ንቻይና እቶም ሄሞጀኒስቲክ ዝበሃል እቲ ናይ ዓለም ለኻዊ እተን ውሕዳት ንኣሽቱ ግሩፓት ንዓለም ቋፅራ ዝደልያ ኣብ ቻይና ዘለወን ጠቐነ ቅቡል ኣይኮነን እዩ ዝብል ዘሎ መንግስቲ ቻይና ክሕግዝ ድልው ሓጊዙ ኢኻ መጨረሻ ግን እተን ኣፍሪቃውያን ሃገራት ናይ ምሕደራ ቁኑዕ ዝኾነ ኣካይዳ ወይ ስልቲ ክህልወን ኣለዎ እቲ ሃገር ሃገሮም ክትምዕብል ተኾይና ማለት እዩ ኣብ ዕዳ ከይኣትዉ እንተደልዮም ከዓ ብልክዕ ኣበየናይ ባጀት ኣበየናይ ክጠፍእ ኣለዎ ክፈልጡ ኣለዎም ግዴትኦም እዩ ግዴታ ናይቲ ሃገር እዩ ስለዚ ንቻይና ምጥቃን ኣይኮነን
Mr. President, Eritrea is heavily sanctioned by the United States and some other countries. What do you think are the implications of those sanctions? And now it seems there's a tendency for some countries to label some developing countries as undemocratic and then use them as excuses to impose sanctions. How would you respond to that?
It's the sick mind of hegemonistic powers.
Kur President, እዚኣ ሕቶ እዚኣ ዝተፈላለዩ ግዜ ሰሚዕና ኢና ዝተፈላለዩ ሃገራት እዘን ሓያላት ሃገራት ዝበሃላ ንሓንቲ ሃገር በካይዳን ኣመራርሓን ተራ ዘይደገፍኣ እዚ ደይፍትሓዊ ኣካይዳ ኣለዎም ሞ እገዳ ንግበረሎም ዝብላ ኣለዋ ንስኻ ነዚ እንታይ ኢልካ ትምልሰሉ እቲ እገዳ ቁኑዕ ዶ ትብል እንታይ ሰዓብን ከለዎ ኢላያ ተሓቶ ዘላ ሰዓቶ እዚኣ ኩሉ ግዜ እዩ ዝጠቕሳ ሓደ ካብቶም ፍሉጣት ናይ ኣፍሪቃውያን መራሕቲ እዩ ኢሳያስ ኣፈወርቂ በቲ ዝህቦ መልሲ ኣብ መንጎ እገዳ ማለት እዩ ማለት ኤርትራ ዛርጋ ዝበዝሐ ክፋል ካብ ኤርትራ ካብ ትፍለጥ ብእገዳን ገለን ዝበዝሐ ዓመት ዝተኣገረት ሃገር እያ ስለዚ ነዚስ ብኸመይ ትምልሶ እዚኣ ንዕኡ እሱ ክምልሳ ዝኽእል ሕቶ እያ ምክንያቱ ኤርትራ ዝተፈላለዩ ንብዙሓት ዓመታት በእገዳ ስለ ዝፀንሐት ማለት እዩ ሓቢርና ንከታተል መልሱ
It's sick because why impose sanctions? What is the legality of imposing any sanction? What is the morality of imposing any sanction on any nation? It's a big question mark. It's not only sanctioning Eritrea, but sanctioning all those who uphold their independence and sovereignty. If they don't like you, they will impose sanctions. They will try to cripple your economies. They will try to incite conflict. They will try to destabilize and interfere. And they have no moral or legal high ground to come and intervene or even impose sanctions on any nation. Eritrea has been a victim of this because for the last 80 years they have had their own fancy ideas about dominating Africa by regionalizing Africa into influence or centers of influence. And everyone who disagrees with their philosophy and their sick mind will have to be punished, demonized, impose sanctions. We're fed up of this stupid idea of imposing your will on others' sovereign and independent choice and trying to keep their economies and try to create disruptions here and there. One of the reasons for trying to create a rift between China and Africa is to promote their own agenda of dominance, and anyone who disagrees with them will have to be punished. For us, being a long experience, we've been able to face this challenge, and in solidarity with our partners in Africa, with China, Asia, Europe, Americas, definitely this defunct idea to me will be history no matter of one decade.
Mr. President, give us an idea about what kind of impact has those sanctions made on the development of your country and also the livelihood of your people?
No, it's not deniable. It does disrupt economic development here or there. It cripples.
حراي إذا حتى زي أقرب إنه احتمالها
abilities here and there. But that's one of the challenges. It's an uphill struggle. You can't build a nation in a very smooth.
بزعبا زي حتى زي كملست تخونا إرترا حنت خابتن بجراز نبرة هجراتها تخون أنت أخبر تانيحو إذن عبيتن حياتنا هجرات زبحالا أبزو خوانت نتأ حنت هجر نتأ أنت أخوينا ناتا أكايدا ناتا كدي أمرارحان ناتا فيلسوفن حساباتن علىها نزح حساب زي مسانا زي تسانا مع كالكا أجرا مقبار مني حلف النتيبهم مني نعوم جبرتن حركتن زقبرهم نحن سي ناتنا هاجرنا ناتنا كايران لنا هاجرنا بنعنا بس لنا بنعنا بس بنحاسبوا أكايران سلتن نمرح نعوم انتهي ملكتهم زين يحموم زخونا سن حساب إلى زقول صو بتعمي نحنا نوح عمتات لعل سمانة يكون عمتات استقالشنا يو إذناتهم بتعمي stupid كبير جليس و president بتعمي stupid زخونا تحساسبنا كايدا ناتهم عين قبولنا نوح عمت استم قرنالو يوقع بتعم خسرح زيك السلتي حدث بحسب مسخ خرارة أصل زيك على ويناتك أكايدا سلتي بس لزي بولو الجرا يقبلوا مني حلا في النزهبو من يوم الصوم من سلو زغوني يمكن أنا أجراز قبلنا نزغون تكون هاجر حنت هاجر نتعنت انت الأرغيبة بنتعنت نتعنت أكايدان أمرار حنا لوعا كميلو ميمجمنا أنا أجراز قبلنا عبد الله يوم ساعات يقول خال طوب لها لتناتا إيكونومي تناتا معبالتات نمزحتال وي نمدكام إلى نزقبرو تعرتات سي من يحلف نزهبهم من يمكن الصوم صوم نتعنت لهم إحنا هون نتعنت لنا سلامتين أنا أجرا يقبلنا بتعمي زحزن stupid زخونة أكايدا كبير يقول تصو الله مالتيو نقتل جنا حتى أودتن
manner without their disruptions. You imagine the history of the Chinese people, where from they have come and where they are now and where they are going. The same thing for Africa. Major challenge for liberation of peoples, independence of nations, and ultimately economic development to change the qualities of life of them cannot happen without challenge. The damage done to our economy through these sanctions have been tremendous, but we say we have learned our lesson. It has made us more resilient and more determined to continue our struggle, endeavor to change the quality of life by improving our economy.
The problem here is many Western countries, the States and also other countries, they're taking sanctions as the kind of solution to resolve, crises and issues.
The advantage of that attitude, that Sikh attitude, is it has inspired people more committed to liberation, independence.
I think.
ስለዚህ እዚ እገዳ ንስተፈላለዩ ኣፍሪቃውያን ሃገራት ንዕን أبلع نفسن تعيرن كسرحة يوزتابعن إحنا كم إرترا تموكرنا لإنا نوح عمتات استقالسنا يو إذناي معربان هاجرات زجورو أجرا زغون كم مثلا حسب زي سام عن زي الرادة أجرا جيركا إن مدخام زجورو سعرتات كم بقى كم ناتن كم زي كم تبنجان ناتني بقى حنت خبت التولز تقمالو نمدخامي حابرنا نسمع يا جينات قتلازلا.
You are a believer of what doesn't destroy you, only make you stronger, right?
It does. I'd like to see everyone making his contributions in life. Your aspirations, your goodwill is your own emotional resource. But the fact that someone is coming and bullying you, someone is harassing you, someone is putting sanctions on you, is training you. It's a matter of getting the training in a negative manner. Ultimately, you become a full person. It's a learning experience for someone to go through these experiences, and you can't thank them definitely for their ugly attitudes, but definitely you have learned your lesson by going through the process of facing the challenge created by this dominating force. You have both sides of the coin. You have to see the advantage and the disadvantage. I could have done better without that, but I have learned a lot by their bullying attitudes and their sanctions that have crippled my ability to move forward.
Mr. President, you share a
كور بريزيدنت كابت عزبتا ما تزارع اوتوماتيو ادنا اوتيا هيباتو نسخا حدا نجر انت رأزي قتلكا كم زبرتعكا كم زحيلكا تأمن سبيخا ازي ابا كايدا امنات كابي وكا انتي حاجز وي استواصو الله كم بريزيدنت انتي كتبل ترالي برقص يلوا حدا نجر انت رأزي قتلكا خوينو ميسي زبرتعكا انا قوا بيتناتهم حموم نخونا اتحساسوان اكايدان ازي كم نصلقو انت خونا جن اتي ابلع لنا زغبرو اجدان شرحتاتن نعنا كم هاجر بلصبت هاجر كوينا ناتا حسابن ناتا اكايران كم زهلوا كم دغبرنا ابرتنا كم نسرح جيرونايو برقص كا اتي زغبرو اجدا نهاجرنا نخيت معبل نمنقسقاسناتي معبالتاتني هاجرن كم زعنقصه برقص ايحسون جن كونو تعرفوا تصاورنتنا كم زبرتعه مليسنا خم نحيل اتناتهم اجراس مليسنا خم نبرتع كم زغبرنان يو زنغرا زلو مالتيو جينا قصالي دلو
bond with China because about 50 years ago he spent 2 years studying here in the country, and I read from a book which depicted you as a 21-year-old young man, very tall, who doesn't talk much, kind of shy, but who studies very hard and think very actively. So how do you think that experience has influenced you, and is there any interesting or impressive stories that you can share with us?
It was a moment where
كور بريزيدنت ناب تاريخ كملسكا قدمي 50 عمت يخون اب تشاينا متيخا كم تمهاركان اب تشاينا زحلفكايو تاريخ كم زلون انا كا كاب زغبركو ريسيرش نسغا حدا خابتوم نوح حساب كم نبر كان بتعامي بوزح دي زارب جن مستوى عالم بلحين كم خوانكا أم بيبلغو قالوا بزعبات تاريخ كابز نبرة كابز حلفة كتقلص اللي تخيل ويك تنقرن تخيل انتهى على كتب لنا مثلي
a young man of 20 could have learned so many things in a very short period of time, and that has shaped lives, my life, the lives of the colleagues who were with me. It was the foundation of the relationship.
Mr. President, you just said you learned a lot from here. What would be the biggest lesson that you learned from here that still have an impact when governing your country today?
It's a commitment to the people. Now you can go.
أنا بوزي حتى ماهرة كم منسي كم ودع 10 عامات كله ودع 10 حرن عامات كله تشاينا بس حماتيو قلت عامات جير بتشاينا كابستا مهار كايو بوزي حتى موكر إيه نعكاب هوتي أبي مونيمنتال زخونة سوق أمل خمس سوق مجرني كسب حجون تستمهار كوا يرسع كوان جينا ناتي ትምህርትን ተሞክሮን ኣሎ ይብላ ኣሎ ስለዚ ካብ ተሞክርካዮ ገለገለ እስከ ንገረና ካብ ገለገለ እስኻ ሒዝካዮ ዘለኻ ካብ ሽዑ ተማሃርካዮ እንታይ ሒዝካ ኣለኻ ክሳብ ሕጂ ገለ ካብ ክብታት ኢላ ሓይታውቶላ መልሱ ስማዕ
listen to President Xi Jinping, listen to Chinese leaders here and there, is their commitment to their people. They have committed their lives to change the quality of life of their people, and the achievement they have done has been tremendous. You see that commitment is what has made China happen in a manner, because the commitment of the people, the leadership level, the commitment of the Communist Party to change the quality of life here, the awareness of the Chinese people to change their reality to where they are now is a model for success everywhere, Africa, Asia, Latin America, Europe, America. So this is really the outcome, the value system that was there, that motivated young people and many everywhere in the world, is what values my presence here in China.
Well, speaking of the motivation of young people,
أنا كاب استعذبكم استمكركم تولو قال خاب تعذبتي منجستن ناي كوميونست بارتي ناي تشاينا نمنت هزبوز قبرو بجاز وصلوا سلطن صراحة نتشاينا حنت خابتن أب عالمنا زحيلان زبرت عن هاجرات قبراخ يقولوا زي أتذكرنا كنعزب وزلنا عزيو أقداس النت مخانو قالت فوتو التعمي كوميتد بك أتقدر سوم يمزعبه هزبو من هاجرو من حسبو زقبرو استواتوخا عبي مخانيو قالت العمالتيو
Mr. President, we heard that you once took not only your own kids but also many teenagers in Eritrea to visit events at the Chinese embassy in Eritrea. So why is that? And especially, why do you think it is important for young people to gain an understanding and knowledge of China at an early age?
If you have a value system, if this value system is appreciated for the goals that will have to be achieved for the sake of humanity, how do you cultivate? Early age is the secret. I call it the motor for the survival and the movement of nations. Educate every young person to commit himself to the quality of life or the quality of life of the people. Commitment to those values is critical to any developmental issue that may arise when a young man or a young woman in one nation grow up with that motivation. Motivation is very critical.
How do you see the path of China's modernization?
The achievement in China have proven that the modernization
እንታይ ኢላ ሓይታቶ ሓደ ግዜ ኣነ ካብ ሰማዕኮ እንታይላቶ ንስኻ ንደቅኻስ ኣብ ኤምባሲ ቻይና ኣብ ዝካየድ ንጥፈታት ተሳትፎም ኢኻ ንምንታይ እዚ ኣነ ንደቀይ ወይ ዝተፈላለዩ መናእሰይ ናብ ናይ ቻይና ንጥፈታት ክነጥፉ ዘተባብዖም ምክንያቱ ናይ ቻይና ኣካይዳን ስልትን እቲ ኣካይድኦም ስለ ዝድግፎን ስዕቦን ስለ ዝቕበሎን እየ ኢልዋ ሓንቲ ሃገር ከዓ እቲ ምስጢር ክነግረኪ ኢልዋ እቲ ምስጢር ከዓ እንታይ እዩ ዝኾነ ሰብ ኣብ ብንኡሱ እንተደኣ ተማሂሩ ተማዒዱን እቲ ናቱ ኣተሓሳስባ ኣብ ዝለዓለ ደረጃ ክበፅሕ ወይ ክቕባልነት ዘለዎ ብዙሕ ስለ ዝኾነ እቲ ምስጢር ብንኡሶም ከሎ ብዛዕባ ህዝቦም ሃገሮም ክሓስቡ ምግባር እዩ ኢልዋ
and industrialization of China has been the secret of what we see today happen. What that sends as a message, it's a model for other continents and other peoples to see to China as a model. How has China achieved this? This underdeveloped country, this country that was considered to be backward by all standards in the era after the Second World War. Now go back and see what has happened. Why has this modernization and industrialization of China transformed lives? Why is China now engaged in even transforming the global order? It's inspiring to see the achievements of China. It's inspiring particularly for the people in Africa. They can learn a lot from this experience.
Well, apart from the cooperation
China
in sectors including agriculture, infrastructure, mineral mining, etc. You know, the cooperation in cultural and people-to-people exchanges are also gaining momentum between the two countries. And that's exciting to you as well, right, Mr. President?
It's
ቻይና ሓንቲ ካብተን ደይ ምዕቡላት ሃገራት እያ ትቁፀር ነራ ቅድሚ ድሕሪ ካልኣይ ውግእ ዓለም ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ግን እንታ ተዓዚብና ሓንቲ ካብተን ምዕቡላት ሃገራት እያ እንታይ እዩ እቲ ምስጢር እንታይ እዩ እቲ ናቶም ኣካይዳ ገለ ዝገብርዎ ዘለዉ ናቶም ልዕሊ ኩሉ ፀብለለን ከም ዝኸዱ ክኢሎም ኣሎ ስለዚ እዚ ኣተኪርና ክንዕዘቦ ዘለና ዓብዪ ኣገዳሲ ነጥቢ እዩ
very comprehensive. It's comprehensive. It may involve a number of economic sectors: infrastructure, energy, water resource, agriculture, tourism. Sectors, industries will have to be developed. But again, the solidarity will have to include the soft
power.
aspect. The soft power. The soft power
exactly.
is
For
the
business
cultural
media
exchange.
cooperation.
The cultural exchange is very critical. Now, it's not only a matter of solidarity, working together on economic sectors, developmental programs here and there, but the cultural exchange of peoples everywhere is very critical. You share and appreciate values. Sharing and appreciating values gives you more strength. It multiplies your capability of doing things. You have to communicate. You have to tell each other stories. You have to find and share values.
Speaking of culture, Mr. President, you have a very, in-depth and comprehensive knowledge of Chinese culture and history. So is there some special you would like to share with us?
I modestly say I know very little, even though I am
ኣነ ብጣዕሚ ኣብ ቻይና ኣብ ዝተቐመጥካሉ እዋናት ገለገለ ብዛዕባ ቻይና ታሪክ ወይ ካልቸር እንታይ ክትብል ትደሊ ምክንያቱ ብዛዕባ ዝዛረብሉ ዘለዉ ርእሲ እንታይ እዩ ብዛዕባ ሓድሕዳዊ ባህልታት ምኽባር እዮም ዝዛረቡ ዘለዉ ንኣብነት ብዛዕባ ናይ ቻይና ካልቸር ኣፍልጦለካ እሞ እንታይ ክትብለን ትደሊ ክምልሰላ ካብ ዝጀመረ እንታይ ኢለዋ ኣነ ሓቂ ተሓሽ ብትሕትና ይመልስላ ብዙሕ እፈልጥ ይኽብል ኣይደልን እየ ኣፍልጦለዎ ማለት ናይ ትሕትና መልሲ እዩ ዝባል ዘሎ
I'm eager to know more about this culture.
ክምሃር ክፈልጥ ግን እደልየ
There is no end, there is no limit to what they can learn from this culture. It's the achievement of generations of thousands of years. Have you been to the Great Wall of China? Go and see that achievement. Go and see every stone, every piece of stone, image carved on stone. Go and see the achievements of Chinese art. Go and see the achievements of Chinese history and culture. There are so many things to learn from the Chinese history, from Chinese civilization, and modern achievements of China.
Mr. President, you first came to China when you were very young, in your 20s, and then afterwards you have also visited China a couple of times, and now this time again. So what are some of the major changes that you have witnessed with your own eyes?
My yardstick is see even from very far away, following the developments in China. I've been here last probably 2005, almost 18 years now. 2005 I've seen with my own eyes so many things. Now I come back and see the same thing, dramatic. It's beyond my own expectations. The ultimate benefit is it's inspiring message that gives you more confidence, more commitment to what you have to do. And I say thank you for your achievements. We have learned a lot. We can see the future from here.
Can you share with us some details? For instance, some
ምዕባልታት ናይ
changes
ቻይና
that
ሲ
you have witnessed, as you mentioned, with your own eyes.
2005 መፅአ ነይረ
Particularly
መዓስ 8 ዓመት
inspiring
ማለት
to
እዩ
you when you governing your country.
ሕጂ
I can talk about that for hours.
Maybe just one.
Go and see the infrastructural achievement, the achievements in technology. Go and see a number of other sensitive areas. You have Huawei, for example. Okay? Huawei is an industry. Huawei has made tremendous achievements in the electronics industry. The LCD watch were not here in China when I was here 50 years ago. Now I can see Huawei is providing global markets with the latest technologies in electronics.
ኣድናቆት እዩ ዝባል ዘሎ ብዛዕባ ቻይናውያን ካምፓኒታት ብዛዕባ ህዋዌይ ማለት እዩ
That's why I say it's a very long story. It will take so many hours for me to talk about these detailed achievements here in China.
Well, Eritrea is known as the pearl of the
بزعبا تشاينا زغورتها معبالتات حنت خابتن قلتن تنحى هواوي تبال كامبانيا هواوي كامباني عبي كامباني اندستريال كامباني تليفونات انترنت 5G كومون الكترونيكس استفال عليك مايكرو تشيبس يسرح كامباني كومون درون سرح استفال عليك كامباني سرح كامباني عبي كامبانيو قد ما 5 عامات زي نبره كامباني اب ساعات عالم ملو فلوطن اقداسن زونه ناي تشاينا كامباني معبالتات زغورو مالتيو أنا قد محج قلت عشان حامشان ما تخلق خزرة أخو معبالتاتن حجز ولا معبالتاتن أزيو عبي في اللي زلوا بتعم زر النقن زحقوسنيو كابزها بوزع تماهرنا تشاينا معبالة نعلم زر النقيو نعناون كم مخري نتعزبتن يكون نازلو بتعم يو زحقوسا كان زخرع كان يو زبلازلو
Red Sea. But due to this geographical distance, some Chinese people may not be very familiar with this country. So, Mr. President, how would you present Eritrea to our Chinese viewers here who are interested to visit there in the near future?
I've always adopted an attitude. I say, come and see. I wish Chinese people will come and see not only Eritrea but visit Africa. So it's part of the culture.
أفريقيا هو صحيح يقدم زلة أفريقيا تشاينا وين مالتي.
I would like to invite everyone to come and see, and then make your judgment.
Well, hopefully, thank you so much for your invitation. Hopefully, personally, I could really visit Eritrea myself and to go and see.
You have an open invitation to visit Eritrea.
Well, thank you so much for taking our interview. It was a great pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
يبالون إيرترا بتسيحة متى عدما مناتون أنا نقولاتكم شيناوان عدما يبقوم على لغة موز إيرترا متشهم رأيو إزروزي بزعبة إيرترا قبل أيدلني أنا راي كفوت مع تقول لنا متشهم رأيو دناتكم فردي حبو بدق خزارة بايدلني عدما قلني يبقوم على لغة موتو رأي وإيرترا دين بعينهم ريهم رأي مأماني تموزنو كتبت صح مخانا نستحجي قالاتي الله هو قتلتي كم زوتري وصنحكم زي انترفيو زي نزي مسل نيرو بتعمي دس بالانترفيو حقت حاجش I hope هاجرنا بالتقدان معبالن كقاتما كابزي غيرو موزلو انترفيو كم ناي تشاينا هاجرنا هات معبلانو دس بلاني I hope استفل علي معبالتات كقاتم نازي مدبي استخاتلكم ازياده مسجنكم زغنا ريتون عفتان تلكم اب كومنت صحفوا لي اب قصالي كساب نرخب سسنايو ازود حنكم